podcast on Apple Music or download on iTunes.
I can picture that. It's so cute. Is she just saying? Is she just saying?
Yeah.
Just Eat proudly sponsors the